Makeup isn't just make-believe, it's real life. It's about keeping up with the real you and looking good while you're at it. This is me, Ashton, and this is Molly. Today we're hanging out with Sorbet's Lips collection. How to achieve kissable lips. Full, baby, full. You'll need Sorbet's Hydro Skin Lip Therapy, Sorbet's Undercover Eye Concealer, Sorbet's Lip Liner Pencil, Sorbet's Matte Kisses Lipstick, and Sorbet's Get Glossy Lip Gloss.
Before applying lipstick, make sure your lips are well exfoliated and moisturized. I'm going to use a Sorbet Hydro Skin Lip Therapy today. This promises 8 hours of moisture. To create those beautiful full lips, start by applying some concealer just around the lip line. The Sorbet Undercover Concealer works really well for this. The reason for this step is that it really highlights the edge of the lips. This starts creating that illusion for fuller looking lips. Choose a lip liner that closely matches your lipstick color and start lining the outer line of your lips. And with Ashton's lips, I'm just drawing a little bit above the lip line, just outside the lip line, just to create that fuller, luscious lip that we want. A quick tip, use your lip liner and color in the entire lip area. This will make your lipstick last longer. Ladies, don't forget to line all the way into this inner corner of the lips. So many women do not do this, and it's one of the biggest tips to create a really full pout. It's time to apply lipstick. We can apply this along this lip line that we have drawn. The color that I've chosen for you, Ashton, is Vigor. It's a matte texture and it really goes very well with your skin tone.
Fast fact, there are 12 lipstick shades in the Sorbet Makeup collection. True story.
Lastly, we're going to apply some lip gloss. We're applying this to the center of the lips. The reason for this, it adds to that illusion of a fuller lip, and then we're gently blending it out. And there you have it, fuller lips.
Beautiful. And that's how we keep it real.